Alright guys, well the room is done and I am elated. If you want to see the special functionality of this room, then just keep watching. Okay guys, like I said, this is my room. I got a few shoes here. I'm gonna call some of my girlfriends and ask them, do they need any shoes or, you know, belts and things. Over here, I have a lot of perfumes and notebooks and jewelry cleaner, and I got that hair right there. But also I got, you know, bracelets and stuff over here. Over here is just my makeup station. Like I said, I'm sort of tired of how everything looks. I don't know if I have to just clean up more, get rid of stuff. I don't know. Maybe that's what I have to do. This is my window. And on my window, for privacy, I have like contact paper from Walmart. I have used it on, you know, different parts of the house, and even on my station. You know, that's the contact paper. So I don't know if I want to put up, I know I'm going to do something different with windows. I don't know if I want to, I don't know if I want to paint, but I don't want to go that invasive with it. You know, I don't want to go that deep, but if I have to, I will. Like I said, over here is where my mirror is, and I made this, you know, the stand, and behind here I put shelves on it, you know, for different things. This thing right here is like a storage thing, but I think the main thing that I'm gonna, you know, start doing today is look around my house to see, you know, what I can use around my house. I know I'm gonna end up taking that off the window. I'm gonna end up taking that off of my little Murphy table. I probably end up getting rid of these little stands that I made to match the stand over there. I don't know. But the first thing I am going to do is take baby steps. And I'm going to shop in my own house. All right, guys. The room reveal. The room reveal. Now, I'm going to show you some tricks that I did in this room. I'm going to show you extra secret storage space that I have in this room. But guys, this is the room reveal. Now I'm going to show you also how I can store my shoes 2 different ways. All right, guys. So, as you see up there, I changed even my lighting. And I'm going to do more to that. I have 5 or 6 areas in this room where I can film. If I want, I can film in front of the door. If I want, I can film right here. I can film right here. I can film at my makeup station. I can film at my window. Or I can film at this wall here. I can film at this wall, or I can film at this wall. All right, guys, so we're going to get into this room reveal. Upon walking in the room, guys, you see my purse station, right? Well, when I'm ready to do and get a purse, there they are. But when I'm done picking my purse and want to see how I look for the day, I can just simply turn my purse station around, and it's a mirror. When I'm done seeing how I look, because the purse station is on sliders, I can simply turn it around. Guys, my closet, when I had all that stuff sitting in my room, I couldn't open my closet doors freely. Now, I come in my room, I open up my closet doors, I can see everything I want. If I want to reach something up top, I have a small step stool in here. I I can get up here, get what I want, shoes, purses, whatever, put them back, turn off the light. Voila. Guys, this room is very functional for a lot of different things. Let me finish showing you. Guys, over here is my dresser. And I store underwear, socks, pants, shirts in this dresser. But this dresser does multiple things. Not only does it store my clothes and house my TV, but it also, if I would like, because it's on sliders, I can slide it. And back here, it can also house shoes. On the back of my dresser, I have a shoe storing rack. And this is where I house my shoes that I wear on a daily basis. And when I'm done, because the dresser is on sliders, I slide it back. And if you're a wig wearer, you can put your wigs in the bag, put your wigs in the pockets, or if you have a lot of makeup that you don't want to sit in your station, one pocket can be for lipsticks, another one can be for foundations, another one can be for brushes or sponges. Or you can do what I'm doing for now and store your electronics for your filming and things of that nature. Whatever you want to use these pockets for, like this is my game controller. Here's my video game that I have in there now. And when you're done, you can scoot it right back. Voila. Now, these hooks on the side can be for anything. Once I come into my room and I'm done for the day, I can either put a hat there, I can store my purses there, or I can just take all of this off and store my earrings here, if I like, but I have a better place for my earrings. All right, guys, so as you see, I have my video game going. Because in this room, I can play video games, I can watch TV, and also one of the things that I love to do is when it's time for me to work out, I can stand right here and work out. And I made a video about me working out, and it was in this room. All right, guys, now for extra storage. I have this bench. And because I don't have a lot of things anymore, and I realized in redoing this room that when I packed everything up, I wasn't using that stuff every day, all the makeups and things of that nature. So even though everything could go right back in here, I didn't want everything in here. My makeup that I did have is stored. It's stored perfectly, and I know where everything is. My window film. In the first part of redoing this room makeover, I have privacy screen, well, a privacy film up to my window. So if I wanted to have sunlight to come in, I don't have to worry about if anyone can see in my room. Just as simple as that. Okay, guys, let's move over here to this area. Okay, guys, in this area, you see that this is my makeup station and my computer station and my prayer station. And also, this is another place where I can film. But let's talk about the prayer station. You have to give thanks to God. So one of the things I do in the morning is I come, I light my candle, I say my prayers, and I get my Bible and I read. Over here is where I do my makeup. I can do my makeup while having my coffee, watching TV, or playing a video game. And I love it. Now, hopefully I'll be able to show you, just like I put the knobs on my dresser from napkin holders from the Dollar Tree. When I'm doing my makeup, guys, I love to wash my brushes when I'm done. So with the napkin rings from Dollar Tree, I glue 4 of them together, put a bottom on it, and these are my brushes that needs washing when I'm done. And I have them sitting right here on my station, matching everything. Also, if I want, while I'm doing my makeup or watching TV, I can do computer work or I can edit, or I can film. 95% of the things that I'm showing you guys, I already had at my home. So if I want to come over here and do some filming and editing, I can do it right here, while I'm having my coffee and watching TV or playing a video game. For my shoes, guys, I can house them behind the dresser, or I can put them where they are, right there. If I want, guys, I can take my shoes and I can put them like that, right? But if I want extra storage, guys, guess what else I can do? I can take my purses and sit them right here on the rack, which will open up a whole bunch of space on my mirror area. Now, if I want the same area I had my purses, it's now free, if this is what I want to do with my purses. So guys, I'm telling you, the functionality of this room is what's doing it for me. You don't have to have a lot of things sitting around that you're not using just for the sake of having them sitting around and cluttering up your space. Everything in here I use, and I'm comfortable with everything. Nothing is falling. I can move things around. I have rooms for my purses, multiple rooms for wigs if I still wore wigs. I have places for makeup if I didn't want to store them here. It's like 2 or 3 spots in this room for makeup. If I wanted to, I can have nothing but perfumes and things on my purse station here. If I wanted to have that, hats, or bring more shoes and put them right there. It's about what you use, not how much stuff you have that you're not using. So guys, you have reached Top It Off with Miss R. I'm Miss R. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I hope you like my room review, guys. There's more things that I'm going to do to this room, or maybe not, maybe add or maybe take away. But this is the room reveals thus far. So guys, as always, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I'll talk to you later, guys. This is the Christmas vlog, the last one, December 25th, room reveal. Mwah.